Welcome to Narisiki, and today I'm sharing with you my garden. It's just experiment I'm doing. This is fenugreek methi, which I'm trying to grow in the water. I had been successful growing it in the soil, but this is first time I'm trying with water, and it really turns out good. This is ginger. I'm planting mustard. This is not the season for mustard. These were seeds which were from the last harvest, which are growing, but I'm still getting mustard. Tomatoes are all voluntary. This is spinach, ready to be harvested, I think, in next couple of days. Potatoes, some are ready to harvest and some are still growing. Nice. The leaves are so nice when they are green. Some tomatoes are ready to harvest, and I have lot of tomato plants, and all the tomato plants are voluntary. This is mint, store bought mint. I've just planted the stems. It works out beautifully. Some potatoes here again. Another bunch of mint, which came out really good. This is eggplant, which is still very small. This is radish. I'm growing radish for the first time. And flowers, I have vinca. Vinca is very good, not much maintenance, and they stay good in winter season also. So I try to focus on vinca as a flower. These are basil. I've put in some basil seeds from last year. These are green peas. I'm a little bit late for green peas harvest, but still I got few green peas fresh. Then these are all voluntary tomatoes. I'm expecting a lot of tomatoes everywhere. They're just coming, and I just keep it. This is also voluntary marigold because last year I had planted a lot of marigolds. Again, this is another batch of tomatoes I'm expecting to harvest. It will take some time because once they're green, it takes a lot of time for them to change their color, but they come out beautifully. And the plant is so heavy that I don't have a proper support. I was not ready with the trellis and everything, but still they are managing quite well. And here my green peas, although I was late for the season, they came out pretty good. Uh, this is another tomatoes in the grow bag, some potatoes, which are still, time to harvest. This is a jalapeno. This plant is from last year. My friend had given me, and I'm starting to harvest a couple of jalapenos. Last year I harvested like 25 or 30 jalapenos. This year so far, 8 to 10. This is another bunch of tomatoes I have, and this is also voluntary. And one plant has like 10 tomatoes over here. And these are also growing very beautifully. Tomatoes are easy to maintain. I just use my homemade compost. These are ready to harvest. And all the tomatoes are different. Some are Roma, some are round, some are steak. So all of them are different. This is sweet potato I'll be harvesting for the first time. And this is zucchini. Zucchini, my squirrels are eating the zucchini, so they are coming, but I never harvested a single zucchini. This is a banana plant, just planted few weeks back. And at the back of banana plant, I have another batch of tomatoes. So I hope you enjoyed my gardening tour. Thank you.